Hello, my name is Gaia Begarian. Welcome to another edition of CMS Forex News. Today is Friday, August 8th, 2008. Dollar bulls were out in full force today. The euro-dollar pair plunged 300 pips from its global open, slicing through the 1.53 barrier to test 1.50. Investors and traders reduced bets that the ECB will raise rates anytime soon, following yesterday's ECB meeting and statement. For the week, the dollar is now up close to 600 pips, and today's jump was the largest in nearly 4 years. The pound-dollar pair also faced a steep sell-off, falling nearly 280 pips to test 1.9150. That's a 17th-month low. Traders are seeing a UK economy teetering towards recession. Reports this week showed the UK housing sector faced large repossessions in the first half of the year, and home prices slipped more than 8% compared to last year. The Canadian labor market slowed significantly in July, shedding 55,200 jobs. That was a big surprise to forecast, which expected some small positive growth. The unemployment rate improved, however, to 6.1%, as a large number of workers, especially younger ones, are exiting the workforce. Most of the jobs lost were part-time and were clustered in manufacturing. The US dollar-Canadian dollar pair rallied around 150 pips to test the 1.07 area. It has had a clear breakout from its downward channel seen through most of June and July and is the highest level in almost a year. If the Canadian economy shows serious strains, the central bank may be compelled to lower rates. The outlook for interest rates and the 2-week slide in oil and commodity prices have all combined to make a perfect storm for dollar strength. The Australian dollar fell for a ninth day, cracking below 0.90 in a 180 pip fall this session. The pair is now almost 900 pips lower than it was 3 weeks ago. The RBA on Tuesday said in their statement that they are ready to ease rates from their 12-year high. U.S. stocks were up as well, with the Dow surging more than 200 points by 1 p.m. Oil retreated as much as $4, falling to lows last seen in May. The dollar-yen pair extended its gains from earlier in the week to climb 110.35, the highest it's been since the beginning of the year. Next week, fundamental data will focus on inflation as the UK, US, and Eurozone releases CPI figures. Some other highlights will be retail sales from the US, trade data from Canada and the US, Japanese GDP. And that wraps it up for the week in Forex News. Join us again next week, right here at cmsfx.com.